Yes, please. Christmas is much more than about presents. The greatest gift God gives. Now please listen. Now in the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to a city of Galilee.
Guess what, Imperial?
Hey, who turned off the lights? Mark, is that you?
Oh, John, go easy on him.
Mom, Dad. Hey, who turned out the lights?
Well, Mark, your father thought it might be you.
No, it wasn't me, but it was most excellent idea. Hello, is anybody here?
Attention all about shoppers, there's a black light special on the fire department.
Mark, please be quiet. Grow up, Mark. I don't like that.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Steve. John, we have to find the lights.
Yes, kids, be careful. Try to find the walls to find the light switch. Ouch, Mark! Ah ha ha! I think I found it. So much for not being afraid.
Just wait until we get home.
Sorry, now let's find a way out of here. Oh great, now how we can get out of here. She'll see if you can find a phone. Okay.
Relax, John. I'm sure we'll find a way out of here.
Hey Dad, I found a phone, but I don't hear anything. Are we going to get out of here before Christmas? Think about it, Steve. It's Christmas Eve and we're trapped in a big toy store.
Yeah, never mind, Mom. Ryan? Yeah, never mind, Mom.
Yeah, never mind, Mom. We could stay here all night.
Party time. Let's go to the sports section.
Mark, settle down.
John, don't you remember? You promised that we could each pick out one toy tonight.
Yes, I remember, but that was before this happened. Kids, I'll tell you what. First of all, it doesn't look like we're going to be getting out of here for a while. Oh, neat. Let's take off our coats and throw them over there. Excellent. All right. I didn't move it. Yes. I need to put this away.
John, would you please sit down? You're making me nervous.
Did you hear that? It sounds like music.
It's probably your imagination.
Mom, don't you hear them?
Red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it close. All the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph play in any reindeer games. And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Ha 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 ha!
"You look so bright, won't you ride my sleigh tonight? Then I'll be
John.
here's lovely,